Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best soap dishes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. McGift 2-piece home bathroom natural wooden soap case holder. Standing as the first in this list, this soap case holder comes from McGift collection. It is crafted from beech wood that is well known for strength. The holder is going to maximize the life of your soap as it let them drain water and dry naturally. In addition to that, this soap case holder has a non-toxic finish making it heather and safe to use. Due to the fact that this holder is made with beautiful wood, it has little to no odor and will never contaminate your soaps when you place on it. The soap case holder measures 4.25 long by 3.14 wide by 0.87 high, hence it will not take a lot of space in your bathroom. In addition to that, it has a portable and lightweight design, thus perfect for travel. At number 4. Stjerne Nigiri natural bamboo soap dish. Providing everybody with satisfaction, this soap holder dish is brought to everyone by Sterna. It is developed and designed in Pasadena, California, and it is perfect to use in your bathroom or kitchen countertops, shower, bathtub, home or office. In addition to that, it will perfectly blend with your place and come with a compact size, thus it will not take up a lot of space in your bathroom. This Nigiri soap dish will bring simplicity and elegance as it is made using warmth natural materials. One great thing about this soap dish is that it has a durable construction and will serve you for a long time. Besides that, it will keep your soap clean and fresh. At number 3. Farnavi natural bamboo pack of 2 soap dish holder. One of the most favorite choices for many people, Farnavi soap dish holder is a perfect option to save much in your bathroom. It measures 4.7 inches * 3.1 inches * 0.5 inches and comes in a pack of 2. Moreover, this dish holder is made of natural bamboo and it is designed to drain all the excess water from soap, keeping it dry between uses. Because of this, your soap will be preserved and will have an extended life. Each of this soap dish is handcrafted and comes with slightly different in texture, shape, and color. You just need to choose the best color that will match with your bathroom decor. To conclude, this soap dish is not only gorgeous but also versatile. At number 2. RUIHE soap dish waterfall 3-pack soap holder drainer tray. This soap holder by RUIHE is perfect for bathroom and kitchen storage. With its waterfall and drainage design, it will let your soap to easily drain all the water and let it remain dry between uses. For this reason, your soap will extend its lifespan and will never get moldy or rust. Ordinarily, this tray is soft and flexible, making it easy to carry whenever you are traveling or during your outdoor activity. You will notice that this drainer tray is that your soap will stick too tightly and does not slide off, making it user-friendly. Other than that, you can use this drainer tray in your countertop, bathtub, bathroom, shower and more. In brief, it comes in a pack of 3 pieces. And finally at number 1. Lofekea ceramic double-layer soap dish soap holder. Staying at the last of the list, the Lofekea is one of the best-selling soap holder that you can find in the market. It is made of high-quality wooden and dual-layer design, making it durable and will serve you for a long time. In addition to that, these soap holder are not only used on the bathroom but also you can use them in your kitchen, tubs, showers, and sinks. The holder has a generous and elegant design and will highlight your taste. It is a very functional dish that is easy to clean and will as well keep your soap clean. In brief, this wooden soap holder will make your life more comfortable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.